Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top car cleaning products of 2024. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to keep your vehicle looking its best, we've got the top picks to help you achieve a showroom shine. Let's kick things off with our first product. First up, let's talk about the Chemical Guys CWS 110 Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. This car wash soap is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's appearance. It works wonders with foam cannons, guns, or even traditional bucket washes, making it versatile for any washing setup. The Honeydew scent is a refreshing bonus that makes the washing experience even more enjoyable. This product is safe for all vehicles, including trucks, motorcycles, and RVs, so you can use it on all your rides. Its advanced formula produces thick, rich suds that gently lift dirt and grime off the surface, preventing scratches and swirl marks. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness and how it leaves a smooth, clean finish without any residue. Compared to other car wash soaps, the Chemical Guys CWS 110 stands out for its versatility, pleasant scent, and superior cleaning power. If you're looking to elevate your car cleaning routine, this product is definitely worth considering. Next up, let's discuss the Meguiar's G13616 Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner, an essential product for keeping your car's interior looking pristine. This interior cleaner is designed to quickly and effectively clean all interior surfaces, including plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber metal, and even LCD and navigation screens. Its advanced formula not only removes dust, dirt, and grime, but also leaves a fresh, clean scent that enhances your driving experience. The non-greasy formula ensures that surfaces remain clean and dry to the touch, preventing any slippery or oily residue. And our testers love how it restores the natural look and feel of the interior without adding shine, making it ideal for those who prefer a more factory-fresh appearance. Compared to other interior cleaners, Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and effective cleaning power. If you want to keep your car's interior looking like new, this product is a must-have in your car care arsenal. Next, we have the Invisible Glass 999031 Reach and Clean Tool Combo Kit, an absolute game changer for cleaning those hard-to-reach places on your car's windows and windshields. This kit comes with a windshield wand cleaning tool that makes it easy to reach every corner of your glass surfaces without straining or awkward positioning. The combo also includes the Invisible Glass Premium Glass and Window Cleaner, known for its streak-free formula that leaves your windows crystal clear. Reviewers praise the tool for its ergonomic design and the cleaner for its powerful, residue-free performance. This combo kit is perfect for both auto and home use, providing superior cleaning for all your glass surfaces. Compared to other glass cleaning products, the Invisible Glass Combo Kit stands out for its convenience and effectiveness, making it a must-have for any car care enthusiast. Next up is the Turtle Wax T18 All-Wheel and Tire Cleaner, a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your wheels and tires spotless. This cleaner is formulated to tackle the toughest grime, brake dust, and road dirt, ensuring your wheels and tires look brand new. The powerful spray penetrates deep into the nooks and crannies, loosening and lifting away dirt with ease. Users love how quickly it works, saving time and effort during the cleaning process. The formula is safe for all wheel types, including chrome, alloy, and steel, making it versatile for any vehicle. It also leaves a protective barrier that helps repel future dirt and grime, keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. Compared to other wheel and tire cleaners, Turtle Wax T18 stands out for its effectiveness, ease of use, and long-lasting results. If you want to give your wheels and tires a showroom finish, this product is a must-have. Finally, let's take a look at the Chemical Guys Hybrid Spray Wax, a top-tier choice for those seeking a quick and easy way to maintain their car's glossy finish. This advanced car wax offers long-lasting protection and a brilliant shine, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts. The hybrid formula is designed to be safe on all surfaces, including paint, glass, and plastic, ensuring a versatile application. Users love how simple it is to use. Just spray on and wipe off for an instant shine. It's perfect for those who want professional results without spending hours waxing their car. The Chemical Guys Hybrid Spray Wax also provides UV protection, helping to prevent sun damage and keep your car looking new. Compared to other spray waxes, this product stands out for its ease of use, durability, and high-quality finish. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep your car sparkling, this spray wax is a must-have. That's it for our 5th pick.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.